Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can start making money with affiliate marketing without using YouTube, without using Facebook, without using Instagram, and without using TikTok, right? Now, just to be clear, I do recommend you use at least one or two of them platforms, but for whatever reason, maybe you're like, dog, I don't want to use none of them. All right, I don't like none of them. All right, I don't want to mess with none of them. I got you. It's all good. Now, I recently joined a program called Clicks Train. All right, this program was created by another YouTuber. Her name Danny Cash, and she's like an internet marketing like wizard when it comes to like getting traffic, right? I bought several products from her, and that's why I got Clicks Train, because I'm like, okay, I know she legit. All right, let me just see what she talking about. So what Clicks Train is, it's a platform that generates traffic for you, guaranteed traffic to your affiliate offers, okay? So all you do is sign up to Clicks Train. Once you sign up, you have your link, whatever link you want to promote, and all you do is just submit it to the system, and within 24 hours you're going to start getting traffic, real clicks to your offer. All right, now the cool thing is about Clicks Train, just in case you're like, wait a minute, I don't know if I'm getting traffic, how do I know am I getting real traffic? You get traffic because Clicks Train actually has a back office. You log in and you can actually see the traffic you're getting. You can see how many people are actually clicking and checking out your offer, which is a really cool way to get traffic, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. Now, this does not involve, obviously, like I said, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, nothing. You submit your link and it's done, right? It's over. Now, you might be thinking, whoa, bro, how much this cost, man? What's up, man? I ain't trying to spend all this money, man. You talking about generating traffic, quality traffic. Listen, Clicks Train is only $4.99 a month. That's it. $4.99, and you can have guaranteed traffic to whatever offer that you have out there. And definitely do not let the price fool you, because you might be thinking, oh, $4.99, like, oh, I can't be getting like real traffic for that. You actually do, because that's what I kind of was worried about. I'm like, all right, look, am I really gonna get, real hits to my page? Are people really gonna look? And within the first day after submitting my link, I start getting opt-in leads, to my email list, right? And since then, I've been getting consistent signups to my email list. Now, this is one thing that is highly recommended if you're going to do Clicks Train. You should submit a squeeze page, all right, or some sort of page that collecting the email or something. Because remember, this is extremely cold traffic. So when they see your page, you want to have your your offer, how to start making money in your sleep, put your email in, or put your first name and email, whatever. You really want to use Clicks Train as a way to build up your email list. Now, maybe you can submit a sales page and get lucky with getting some sales, just straight up. But even the owner of Clicks Train recommends submitting, like a squeeze page, a lead capture page. And this will be a great way to build up your email list. All right, so keep in mind, guys, this does not involve any of the major social media platforms, and you can get monthly traffic, right? And then maybe after you generate some sales and leads or whatever, you can invest in other things like that. Now, if you do need a lead capture page or a squeeze page, you can get one free, right, using Leads Leap. All right, I will put a link below. You can sign up. Yes, you can sign up for Leads Leap absolutely free. You can build a squeeze page. Now, if you want to be able to send out and build email sequences that goes out, every day or every other day, yes, you would need to upgrade your Leads Leap account. But just getting started for absolutely free, you can create a lead capture page for whatever you're promoting, right? Get the email or email and first name, whatever. And you can send out email blasts to that list absolutely free. All right. So just in case you need a lead capture page, I will put that in the description of this video. All right. And if you want to learn how to be able to start generating $50, $150, and even $300 instant commissions, you need to check out the first link in the description of this video. All right. Till the next time. Peace.